Why the time? Why Bumeri Baba. They may be why Bumeri Baba. O Tony no me. Iguji no me. The boy who ni mujo. The boy who ni mujo Baba. The boy who ni mujo. Ya go me kwa. Ya go me kwa. Ya go me kwa Baba. E why the time Bumeri. Gometi Bumeri. Gometi Bumeri. Wa Bumeri. The fish one ni mujo ya go kwa. Ya can't no feel. They know. They fish ni mujo. The fish why they have me. Oh, Banedu.
And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter na about one woman. When I see this woman, she dey cry bitterly, say make the whole world come for her rescue, make they help her. Abeg, una help me share this video, my darling people. The old woman say the land wey he buy, say they wan collect am from am. Una know the way that they do for Edo State now, wey be say they go sell land give you finish, they wan still collect am from you, my darling people. So the woman dey cry seriously, say make the whole world help her, make they help her, say this one pass her, say she no go fit take this one again. So as I see the video, I said no, I have to do this video so that make people hear am, so that make they help this woman. The woman is crying bitterly, like seriously. The cry is really too much. I beg anybody wey see this video, help me share am. Help me share am, because this lady dey cry seriously, like seriously. She as in, she say make the whole world help her. He say abeg, na Benin na she dey speak. Benin. He said the land when he buy, wait for a pikin. See boy wey he put. Na Benin na she dey speak so.
Ya go me kwa Baba. E why ni ta me Bugatti. Government Bugatti.
He say make Oba make it come to our rescue.
Government Bugatti.
Old woman. They collect the land from and they go sell am for big person. They collect am from her, go sell am for big man. Now the year matter. He say if pikin no get work, he no get money. Now he buy this land, put this fish pond, make so dey do am. He go school, he don't get work. So now he puts this fish pond, make it so dey do am for there, so that at least may see they get small things. But now people wey strong pass am now wan collect am from am. I beg, in case of anybody wey see this video, if you know say you get any help, or you fit help this our EJ, Mona help her, because this kind of fit cause heart attack for this woman. If it cause heart attack for her, so I beg anybody wey see this video, Mona help me share am. Mona help me so that anybody fit dey wey go help this old woman and make they help her.
Jolly Hobia, or Guamewa, a jolly Ogbiro, Agbide Wajena, Agbide Wajena, Agbide Wajena, or Guamewa, a fish pond in Mujana, a fish pond in Mujana, or Guamewa, a jolly Obia, or Guamewa, or Guamewa, or Guamewa, or Guamewa.
He said he break the place, he break am because he want collect am from her. So anybody wey go fit help this old woman, make they help her, because the way this woman take dey cry now, make anything not go happen to her before now come they say why she not cry come out. That is why social media are there now to help people. So anybody wey see this video, wanna help me share am. Make somebody help this old woman. This old woman need help right now.
O yes kwa kwa mama mingwena ona be je kori o mama mingwena e na do to na ne ona mo fish pon yo ona mo bua ho yo ona bo wana ona ga bi oyo ona ga wo fish pon o yi gba je do no de nya o tere jolly ogwe ona go fish pon kwa o ona go o wa kwa ona go
Una dey hear my darling people. This old woman, before she come back, they don't sell this fish pond. They don't sell the land. This fish pond where they put, they don't break everything. Why be say big people they want to intimidate poor people? Why? Why do they always they behave like this? Very, very bad. This one a wickedness. Wickedness, that be this one. It is very, very bad. It's not good, It's not good the way the one that they behave. It's not good. My darling people, I go put the full video again. Mona see my darling people, I beg. Mona help me share the video. Anybody will see this video, make it help me share them. Because if you not share them, you not go reach another person hand. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye. I go put the video now. Mona see.
Why they have me? Why Bumeri Baba. They may be why Bumeri Baba. O Tony no me. Iguji no me. The boy only mujo. The boy only mujo Baba. The boy only mujo. Ya go me kwa. Ya go me kwa. Ya go me kwa Baba. Why they have a Bumeri. Gometi Bumeri. Gometi Bumeri. Wa Bumeri. The fish pony mujo. Ya go kwa. Ya here they no fail. They know. The fish pony mujo. The fish pony. The fish pony why they have me. O Banedu. O Polo. Baba, they know the fish pond. Ya go me fish pond. Ya go me no fish pond. Win now, or just quite mama, or mammy winner. And I do turn on there. On a fish pond, I go on a fish pond. Ya go me wow. Ya can't no fail. Jolly, who we are, or go me wow. A jolly, we agree on a go, agree the wajena, agree the wajena, agree the wajena, or go me wow. A fish pond, Nimujo Nakio, a fish pond, Nimujo Nakio, or go me wow. A jolly, we are, or go me wow. Or go me wow. Or go me wow. Or go me wow. Wani Bojo, Wani Bojo. No, you have to have your or go okay, and or just work for my mammy when ona be you call it or mammy when and I do doctor nane ona mo fish pon yo ona mo bua ho yo ona bo wana ona ga bi oyo ona ga we fish pon o yi gba je do no de nya o tere jolly ogwe ona go fish pon kwa o ona go wa kwa ona